So you're thinking about a DIY website for your business. What are the pros and cons of professional versus DIY website design? Let's talk about the pros of hiring a professional. Professionals can spend 40 to 100 plus hours on website design. This pro will save you time and energy. When you hire a pro, you'll work with an expert with years of experience, creative ideas, and web design skills. They handle the technical aspects of the project so you can focus on the other aspects of your business. Websites are never complete because code needs to be updated and sites need to keep their content fresh. A professional may offer ongoing support after the site is live to ensure it remains functional and competitive in your industry. Web design requires knowledge of the best practices that change almost every 2 years because of mobile technology. Pros have the knowledge and experience to design an aesthetically pleasing and highly functioning website. A pro will use their experience and knowledge to prepare a well-thought-out digital strategy for the long-term success of your website. So what's the con? The investment could cost $800 to $3,000 plus, but there are two things to remember. Quality website designs look professional and they work great. Hiring a professional is a tax write-off, so the financial investment can be well worth it in the end. So what are the pros and cons of the DIY website design? Actually, they are the same, but how do they differ in this process? DIY builders promote their products as build your website in one day with ease. But if you're not a techie, you will face challenges. But once you learn the builder, you should be able to use it with ease. Builders have limitations on customization, which means you don't need to worry about all those options. Builders are a closed source software, so you don't need to worry about hackers and bugs unless there is a problem. If you have an eye for design and technical skills, a DIY website is probably a good choice. There are a plethora of pre-designed templates for your site. If you're well-versed in design and marketing, you're in good shape. Builders offer affordable yearly plans for hosting and domain name registration. You can design your site and host it on the internet without breaking the bank. Still not sure what to do? Designing a website comes down to needs, time commitment, skill set, functions, and customization. Talk to a professional before you decide to DIY it.